Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? I basically just did this whole thing about this tea pack and I thought I recorded it. I did not record it, so I have to redo it again. I just realized after I finished talking and demonstrating everything that I haven't done anything at all. Like, I did not record it. So I was talking about how this tea pack is so cool. That's why I decided to make a video out of it. So this is a tea pack, which basically like a tea bag that you can put your loose leaf tea or your ground coffee in. So you can put like a brewing Chinese herb medicines or like ground coffee beans, and that's basically what it is, a loose leaf tea and also ground coffee beans. So it looks like this is like $2.80 for like 100 pieces. You can get this from Daiso. Daiso is a $1 shop, Japanese $1 shop that is available everywhere, especially if you're in Sydney. So it looks like that, and the way it works is that you put in your loose leaf tea. So it has that little pouch over there. So you open it up and then you fill it up all the way. I like to kind of put a lot in there for some reason. You don't have to, because like it will expand, so these leaves will expand like huge. So what I will do is I will fold it into half and then kind of spread it around a little bit, and then put my thumb around that lid cover and then flip it over so that it covers the other side, and it becomes this really pillow. And then you just plunge it into the teapot. And this will actually retain its shape throughout the boiling or the steeping process, and it's pretty thick, so you won't have leaves everywhere. I'm just gonna put in there for spare for next time, and I'll show you, just because I already have the one that I did before in the teapot, and I'll show you how to do the ground coffee beans as well. It's pretty much the same procedure. So this is the coffee bean that you get for a plunger. So if you have a plunger, you get this just a regular ground coffee bean. I got it from IKEA. It's about $8 for 100 grams. It's Arabica coffee. So it works the same way. You grab just one tea pack. So this actually comes down to 28 cents per tea bag, and you get a lot of it. Like, you get a lot of this tea. You get a lot. You can get a lot of it because it can fit a lot, and I don't think you're supposed to put a lot of coffee anyway. I would usually brew it twice. So this is a pot, probably about 1 liter, and this I can use this twice for 2 brewings, and it will still retain some flavor on the second brewing. It doesn't really lose it that much. So it's actually very good value, and you don't have to do anything besides just plunge it in and, you know, just put it in the teapot, and it will just work its magic after it's boiled with the water. And there you go. Ta-da! And then you plunge it in and you put water, and then you are available to drink. I'm just gonna put that spare one inside the thing, and that's how you do it, guys. Happy brewing!